Friday morning, it looks like we're going down. We're down 352. A little bit unfortunate. The Nasdaq's down 140. So at this point, all of these look like they're going to be true losses. So I think I was at $1.51.81. So 232 from 100 to break even. So 232 is 97 68. So 90, anything after 97.68, I'm down. So essentially, I'm down to 3.5 points today, and another point and a half. So I'm down 5 points from break even. So, and it looks like it's going lower. So we'll see how this works out. Probably just gonna have to hold this till it goes back up to 100. So I guess we'll see what happens Monday or Tuesday, early next week. Looks like the market has really gone up and down. Some people have gotten out of tech stocks. It's just a little rotation. That's kind of a day-to-day thing. So we'll see how it goes. But it looks like we're down a good 4% today. So not good news. Not always good news in the market. They're talking about all the stuff that's happened with GameStop and Reddit and all that stuff like that. And, hey, I think if those guys are doing whatever they're doing, I think it's fine. I don't think there should be any SEC action. They're essentially gambling. Not really what I like to do, but so we'll hold this one, and we'll see how it goes. I also have 1,209 common shares that I bought at 101.25, I think. So I'm down with those too. So we're just gonna have to wait till this goes back up. So this is the first time I've gotten stuck and got put to me in a while now. So all the last times that it's gotten put to me, I've made money because I waited until it went over my put price. So I'll probably be looking to sell this at 101 or 102, or it'll just depend on how it's trading. What happens on this a lot of times, though, it might trade down and then might trade up, and then as it starts to run, it'll go right past 100 and it'll go up to 110 or whatever like that. That's what's happened in the past, so we'll see. But yeah, this is not good news though. So we're down pretty good. Now, if you're not all in the market, this might be a really good time to buy because we're down 10% off our highs. Our highs were, of course, I'm pretty fully invested, so because I find I make better yield like that. Of course, days like this, you're like, oh, geez, I wish I had some cash. But the high was 105, so we're down, 12 points from the high. So if you just bought here, even if you bought the common and waited till it goes back, that's a big thing here. So you might look at selling the puts even here. Or at this point, maybe even buying the common's not bad. Just to wait and see if it goes back to. We usually go back to new highs, so we could have a lull period though, because we're at the end of January, we're going into February. It's not uncommon for the market to drop and stay down for a month or so. So we'll see if this is the beginning of something, or this is just buy the rip, or buy the dip, sell the rip. So it's a nice dip. You need to look at this as a buying opportunity. Whenever you see these nice dips, for no really real reason. I mean, there's no war, there's no great big thing happening. The economy is limping along. Looks like the earnings are good that have come out okay. We did have that segment of the economy, but even then, the segment of the economy that's getting hurt, it's back on their feet. If you look at the restaurant stocks, they're back up near all-time highs. So even with all the restrictions, so we'll see how this goes. Not a good day so far, but hard to see a down day on a Friday. But when you see this, see if you can take advantage of it. That's what I always look at. So how can we take advantage of this? So